All right, so what I want to bring today, I want to bring a way to mount your in a PlayStation Pro. Now, that's also available for the regular PlayStation as well too. Okay, in my case, I do have the PlayStation Pro. I want to hang this around the wall. The idea for this, maybe you have a lot of space and you can put this in the back of your TV. Right, for me in the studio, we like to put this on the side, and I think for me looks real cool because it will be flat out. A PlayStation 4, if we can see it there, and it's out of the floor. The idea is I don't want that on the floor. I don't have a space for a shelf, so we'll be nice and flat and safe there. And that's the idea that I want to bring this product today. So we have it right here, and then I think of this will allow me to remove the PlayStation as well too, because maybe I want to bring my PlayStation Pro to my other room, to my big screen TV. But in this case, I want to go and play some games here on Twitch. I want the PlayStation to be next on my computer. So first, the screws, right? So nice, trip to the hardware store. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. We can see the level here, so this will be mounted this way. This is your wall. All right, so the way we're going to be using this, so we have the PlayStation, that's the way we're going to see it, right? Because we have the logo right over here. All right, so that's your front. That's the bottom section. So you mount this right on the wall. So we build this up this way. But since I have it in the table, I'll show you. So this line here, right, we can see right there, it will trap here. Okay, so we go this way. This line holds right over here on the border, and this one here to the top here. Okay, so let's put it in, and because it has this, so holds it up and brings pressure on the top, so it will not go anywhere there, and that's it. Right, so it holds it up this way. So now we can see here, so space, so if you want to charge some devices here, so we see that connects through here, connect to there, right? It connects all the way in the bottom right there. In here we can see the tracks right over here as well too, and we do have plenty space to power anything else, and that's the way it looks in the back. So now this will be mounted around the wall. Doesn't take much space on it, and just a quarter inch up there. So now what you can do is set up this right in the back of your TV, right? Or in my case will be on the side of the wall. And this case is for the PlayStation Pro. They do have an available also for other versions as well too. So you look, and that will be the wall. So if you're looking at this, will be the way you see it, or the way I will see it, right? You don't just see that, maybe that funny thing or whatever, just this, you will see that only. So that's the way I will be mounted. Now in reality, if I want to remove this, because maybe I want to bring to another room, or want to bring to my friend's house, the only thing I have to do is disconnect the stuff there and just go and grab your PlayStation from here. I'm going to turn that so you guys can see the other way around. Okay, so I just go this way, right, and take it out. That's it. That's the way to mount your PlayStation 4 right on the wall.